Hello, it's Chanel once again, and I am here to give you the tail end part of my hair regimen, which I've already blow dried and flat ironed it. And I will say that I have to invest in a better flat iron. This is okay, but it's not that shop heat that I'm used to as far as from going to the shop, but it'll work for right now. This week I'll be taking care of that. Anyway, what I must tell you is that you do need to invest, have the energy and patience, and spend the money on the products that you use on your hair. So I actually heard that from Atia. Also, she was saying that you have to invest and spend the money on your hair to get it the way you want it to, and I agree with that. It does not happen overnight, and like I said, this was after only 5 weeks, and I have a long ways to go, very long ways to go. So I must be patient, because if you lose patience, then you're not going to do it. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that it does take time and money. I guess that would conclude this video. It was just part 3 of the hair regimen that I did. So this is the result, and they're okay. It's not what I am hoping to end up with, but so far I would say so good. I plan on my hair being so much more healthier. And one more key thing is no matter what kind of hair regimen you're doing, you must make sure that your ends are clipped. So I know that from the experience of being in the hair shop and everything, and my mother used to be a beautician, so just whatever you do, clip your ends, because that also makes your hair healthy. And I guess I would say that would be the end for now. Till the next time. Bye-bye.